GenieCloth.com is marketed as an online fashion store offering trendy clothing at heavily discounted prices. The website features stylish product photos and attractive promotions, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, many online clothing stores legitimately offer fashionable products at competitive prices. Low prices alone don't automatically mean a store is unreliable. What it does well: trendy fashion selection. The store offers a variety of dresses, tops, outerwear, and everyday fashion pieces. Competitive pricing. Frequent sales and discounts can make many products appear to be good value. Where the hype falls apart, product quality may vary. The materials, stitching, and overall finish may not always match the promotional photos. Sizing can be inconsistent. Like many online boutiques, sizing may differ between products, so checking the size chart is essential. Shipping and returns deserve attention. Before ordering, review the delivery times, return policy, and whether you'll need to pay for return shipping. So, should you buy from GenieCloth.com? Short answer: maybe, but do your research first. If you like the styles and understand the store's policies, it may be worth considering. But don't rely solely on the marketing photos or discounted prices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.